Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be reading a book called Kindness Snippet Jar, written and illustrated by Danny Albert. My name is Snippet, and I really want to live in that jar. I know what you're thinking. Why on earth would I want to live in a jar? Well, it's a very special jar that brings kindness to the world. But in order to live in the jar, you have to become a kindness note. Just look at all those amazing kindness notes. And I have to find my words, and quick. It's good that I have this handy-dandy book of words. Words are very powerful. Some words can make you happy, some can make you sad, and some can bring kindness. It's important to find the right word. Or if I pick the word pineapple. Now, people may confuse me with the grocery list. How about the word Fred? Now, people might think I'm a lost name tag. How will I ever find the right words? Maybe a quick run will help me think of some word. Hi, Square. Can I ask you something? Sure. How did you find your words? I didn't find these words. I did something kind and they just appeared. Oh, I'm not sure if I know how to be kind. All I have to do is treat people the way you want to be treated. Well, I really like it when someone does something nice for me. Maybe I can do something nice for someone else. I believe in you. Hi everyone, I'm trying to become a kindness note and I have a great idea, but I need some help. Sure, I'll help. Me too. We're making art. Jump on. This moa sack is for you, the one reading the book, and the audience that is listening, which is you watching this video. I really hope you like it. Sometimes it takes is doing something kind for someone right in front of you, like me, like you, anyone. Wow, it finally happened. I got my kindness note. Thank you everyone for helping me. Snippet was so happy he finally made it into the kindness jar. There are other snippets just like him looking to make it into the jar too. You can help him. After you do a kind act, write it down and add it to the kindness snippet jar. Encourage others to do the same to help spread kindness everywhere. I hope you can read this. Okay, so this is the end of the book. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!